Are you looking for a budget power bank? In this video, we find out if it does what they claim. Coming up. Welcome to Flipphead TV, where we bring to you tutorials and reviews on consumer products. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Now today we're taking a look at the Iniu 10,000 mAh power bank. So further ado, let's dive down and get into this. So here we go, the Iniu Power Bank model BI-B1. There you get a USB and a USB flashlight. There's the user manual, and there's a nice low bag for it. And then the unit itself. There's two USB ports with a micro USB in to charge it. On the back, nothing. On the bottom, nothing. Has a little bit of a rubbery surface. So there you get the power bank unit itself. You get a USB, a flashlight, and a bag. As size comparison, it is the same size as my Samsung S10. About the same height, about the same width. It's a little bit shorter. Weight-wise, it has a little bit of weight. It's heavier than my Samsung S10. Hey folks, welcome back up top. The Iniu Power Bank is a 10,000 mAh battery. It has two USB ports with one charging port. It has a LED light on the side. Not quite sure if you can see that. It can charge two devices at one time. So let's find out how it charges. So there's the power bank. There's my iPad, and there's my phone. So we're going to plug in my phone first. Then we're going to plug it into the unit. There it's charging my phone. Then we're going to plug in the USB for my iPad and plug it into my iPad. And there it's charging. So yes, it will charge two devices at one time. Now the pawl up here in the right corner is your battery indicator, that if all the lights are lit, your unit is fully charged. And as it decreases, each pawl will start to go out till you get down to the center of the pawl there. So there you go folks, the Iniu Power Bank. We got this off of Amazon for $19.99. The link will be in the description. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Till next time, peace out.